I built an entire brand using this one AI tool, and this AI tool replaced my entire design team for literally just $9 per month. The name of this AI tool is Lovart, and this is the first AI design agent for small businesses. If you want to create the complete branding design for your business, I think this is the best and cheapest AI design agent out there for business branding. Just imagine starting a business today. You need a logo, brand identity, product images, social media posts, advertisements, marketing materials. Normally you need a designer, a brand expert, a copywriter, a social media manager, and several different AI tools. But what if one could handle everything? Not just generate images, but actually build your entire brand. So that's why today I'm testing Lovart, and honestly this might be one of the most impressive AI creative tools I used for small businesses. Lovart calls itself the world's first AI design agent, and after using it, that description actually makes sense. Most AI tools give you pieces. One generate images, another create videos, another helps you with copy, but Lovart combines everything into a single creative workspace. The goal is not just creating one image. The goal is building a complete cohesive brand system. Let's just imagine a realistic scenario. You are launching a new coffee brand called Everest Brew, and you need logo, packaging, Instagram posts, promotional graphics, advertisements, visual identity. Normally this takes days or weeks and can cost thousands. But let's see how Lovart actually handles this using its core workflow, branding skills, and the brand kit. So let's see how Lovart handles this using core workflow, branding skills, and brand kit. So first of all, to start using Lovart, just go to lovart.ai or simply just click on the link in description, and then you can select sign up and start using it. Now here, instead of typing a random phrase, we are going to start with Lovart's branding skill. So to access Lovart's branding skill, all you have to do, simply just go to this skills section, simply just click on this, and now you can just scroll in this way and just open this branding. From here you can just use any of these options. The first one is URL to design, the second one is logo and branding, where you can create logo and merchandise, the third one is product campaign, then there is logo design. Now if you already have a website, you can add the link of that website, and Lovart will actually fetch all of the data from your website, and it will understand your design and your visual inspiration, so it will then build on top of it. Now you can upload a reference image. You can maybe upload an image of minimalistic mountain style aesthetics just to give AI a visual north star, or you can just start from absolutely scratch and you can just give a prompt something like generate a premium modern coffee brand identity for Everest Brew targeting young professionals using the minimalistic mountain aesthetics. So you can just give it a simple prompt about your product, and now you can just press enter, and Lovart will actually start acting as your favorite AI design agent, and it will start building this brand design for you. Now you get this canvas in here. So this canvas actually gives you complete freedom to add images here, to add multiple designs here, to add all of your brand kit in here. So let's just wait for it to generate some sort of designs, and then I'll show you how exactly you can actually make maximum use of this canvas. Here you can see right now Lovart is creating 4 different images. So let's just wait for it to generate these images, and there you go. In just few seconds we got our very sophisticated logo. This logo exactly suits for our brand identity, and then you can see it has created this product catalog. It has created the packaging for product, and also the design of this cup as well. We got the business card as well. We also got the brand color palette as well with exact precise color codes, and also the business cards and this packaging for the product. So all of this was created by Lovart in literally just few seconds. If you don't use Lovart, this entire thing could have costed us a lot of money, and also different AI tools if you wanted to generative AI tools, and also there will be no synergy in the designs as well, and you'll be relying completely on AI to have consistency on your designs. In here you just gave a prompt, and then it understood your brand, and then it created consistent designs for your brand. Now here's the secret sauce. The brand kit is not just a generator, it is your brand's digital brain. So I'm going to import these new assets, the logo, the color palette, and the style directly into my brand kit. So inside this brand kit you can add your logo, your font, your color, your brand guidelines, your photography, your design guidance, anything that you have basically related to your brand. Now there you go, all of the files have been imported in here, and the logo has been added, the colors have been added, the font has been added as well, but we can actually add custom font. I will guide you how you can generate your own font as well, and also all of the photography related to this brand. And now you can create a project with this brand kit. You can simply just click on this create project with this kit, and now AI basically remembers your brand identity. It remembers everything about your brand, and now you can create anything related to your brand. Social media posts are basically anything related to your brand. This entire brand kit concept is basically about maintaining a consistent DNA across everything you do. Now Lovart includes a dedicated font generated. Since I have my brand direction saved in my brand kit, by the way, you can assign your brand kit in here as soon as you create a project. Here you can just choose your brand kit, and now this is the font generator in here. So I can just click on start, click on this, and now I can just describe the font style. Since I have my brand direction saved inside inside the brand kit, I can generate matching typography styles that fits my brand's vibe perfectly. Or you can just upload your reference image, you can upload your logo as well, or any reference text you can provide in here, and then it will just like generate fonts related to that particular text. You can also give the style description as well. Once everything is ready, if you just click on generate, now Lovart will actually generate font for you. You can see right now it is designing our font. So let's just wait for it to design our font. Okay, so there you go, our font is ready, and I can just now click on this font and I can add it in here. So this is our font that it has designed. We can totally customize it, we can change anything about this font, but yeah, this is the initial version that it has created. Now this feature is huge because finding a font that matches your AI generated logo is usually a nightmare. But now using Lovart, I can generate a custom font style that feels modern and professional, ensuring my brand name looks as good as the graphics. Honestly, my most favorite thing about Lovart is this infinite canvas. Everything happens inside one workspace. Now here is where it beats a standard image generator. All of these assets and these images that it has generated, all of these are editable. Let's suppose I want to move this logo or maybe change this text or just like modify or customize anything on here. I don't have to regenerate the whole thing because that's what most of the AI tools actually do. It will regenerate the whole thing, and just to fix that one thing, now you'll have 10 more issues in that same design. But here I can just use this touch edit feature. I can just like choose this section and then it will be added in here, and then there will be this like little mark added in here, and now I can just give it a prompt. I can ask it to maybe change the color of this coffee bag, or maybe change the font slightly, or maybe like put this Everest and brew in one line. So let's just give it this prompt, which is please put Everest and brew in one line. You can specify any other changes. You can maybe change the position of this text, but this is how simple it is. Now you can simply just press enter, and what it will do, it will precisely change what I have asked it to do. It will not redesign the whole thing. And having this level of control within the canvas means you are actually designing, not just guessing with prompt. There you go, you can see it has just updated this design and it has precisely changed the position of that text. It has put this text in one line. That's exactly what we wanted. So this is the previous version and this is the new version that it has created. It has not changed anything in this image. Nothing else is changed other than just the positioning of this text. Now let's take this further. Let's suppose I want to create Instagram posts or maybe promotional banners or product showcase visuals. We can design all of this right here inside Lovart. So I'm just going to use this skill from Lovart, which is this social media. If you just click on this, and here you can see there is this option, Instagram post, add creative, cross-platform, repurposer. Then there is this YouTube thumbnail as well. You can also create YouTube thumbnail, also design guide and red note cover as well. So let's suppose I want to create this Instagram post. So I can just like choose this skill, and now I can ask Lovart to use the designs from this brand kit because it can retrieve everything from my brand kit and then it can design the social media post. So I've just given it this prompt, which is use the saved assets inside Lovart and create an Instagram post for my brand. So Lovart agent has already started working on this. And now to design more precise and more useful Instagram post, it is asking this question: what is the goal? Goal is just brand awareness or maybe product showcase or maybe an educational content and any specific message or theme that you want to convey. So our goal is brand awareness. So I'll just mention our goal is brand awareness. Now let's just press enter, and now let's just see if it can generate this social media post. Okay, there you go. You can see it has created this Instagram post and it looks really high quality. I can totally post this on Instagram. It is attention grabbing. You can see it has added these coffee beans in here and the background with Mount Everest. It just looks amazing. Now you can create more social media posts as well, and every time it will create a new post, it will maintain your brand consistency. It will keep the brand identity, because most businesses struggle with brand consistency. Different posts often look they came from different companies, but here because of the brand kit workflow, everything stays aligned. Now another feature that I really liked is this video generation. So you can also generate videos for your brand. If you just click on this video generation, here you can create a video from a reference image. So you can provide a reference image and it can create video for you. I can take this static Instagram post into a fully animated video that I can then post on Instagram or TikTok, because short form videos dominate social media. So instead of building separate assets, you are creating an entire ecosystem from one creative workflow. You can easily choose any of the images from the library or maybe from this particular canvas. You can maybe choose this particular image and then give a prompt to create an asset to create a video from that particular image. I think Lovart is especially useful for small business owners, e-commerce sellers, startups, solo founders, and creators building brands. If you're constantly creating marketing content, this can dramatically reduce the time spent on design while keeping your quality very elite. After testing Lovart, I understand why they're calling it an AI design agent. It is a shift from generating a picture to managing an entire brand. By using the branding skills to create your assets and the brand kit to organize and reuse them, it is like having a professional grade studio in a browser. So if you're a small business owner, a founder, or a creator, I think this is definitely worth checking out. Just use the link in description below to try Lovart by yourself. And do let me know in the comment section what you think about Lovart. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.